Over the past few years, a number of crypto projects have exploded in value, whether doing 10, 50, 100, or even 1000x multiples on their initial prices. We've seen IDOs and ICOs raise tens of millions of dollars, and the one thing that all of these projects have in common, whether you're a meme project, you are a layer 1 blockchain, doesn't matter, all of these projects are focused on decentralization and being anonymous. That's what the crypto space is about. People like the fact that it's not connected to a government or one organization. People like the fact that crypto is supposed to be decentralized and anonymous. But the problem is, a lot of projects don't really do a good job in making sure things stay anonymous. A lot of projects don't do a good job in maintaining that decentralized aspect. In today's video, I want to explore a new project. It's called Insider Protocol, and it is a project that is currently in ICO, but its main focus and one of its sole focuses is on being fully anonymous. It's building out an entire ecosystem of decentralized like dexes and swapping tools and high frequency trading bot tools, all these different tools that are going to maintain that fully anonymous approach to crypto, whether that's a fully anonymous approach to crypto trading bots with their high frequency trading bots, whether that's through their fully anonymous approach to swapping different coins or just trading different crypto. So today I want to talk about a few of the main details of Insider Protocol because it is in its ICO, and if you look, its ICO stage is open and has done pretty big numbers already. You can see that Insider Protocol asset has 43 million IPRO. That's their ecosystem token. Of the total supply, there are only ever going to be 850,000 IPRO that will be used for the ICO soft cap. And you can see out of that 850,000, they already are at 717,000. So this is filling up very, very quickly. If you want to go ahead and actually take part in their ICO, well, you can go ahead and just fill all of the information out, register, and buy some tokens and be a part of their ICO. But there's a few things that you really need to be aware of with Insider Protocol because it's doing things very different, and a lot of major news outlets have noticed it. If you look at their website, they feature and talk about all the places that have featured them, from CoinDesk to Bloomberg to Cointelegraph to Business Insider to Entrepreneur, Yahoo Finance. The list goes on, and they've been talking about them for years. But you can see that, for example, like with Entrepreneur India, they talk about how Insider Protocol how it launched its Atlas Dex Swap solution back in 2021, how it was focusing solely on being anonymous, and it worked on the same principles as other Dex swapped works, but it had a few additional benefits that made it much more efficient and maintaining that anonymous aspect that Dexes don't always do, because a lot of Dexes will still require you to have specific registrations and KYCs, and with Insider Protocol's Atlas Dex Swap, there's no registration, no KYC required, and is only an anonymous focused service that basically helps to enhance the features that people love in crypto. So that's something that is pretty cool. With Insider Protocol, there's a few other things that stand out. So like I said, they have the first of which is called AtlasSwap. Atlas Dex Swap is a very cool designed product that was made by the developers from Insider Protocol, and you could see it has zero knowledge proof. So this protocol methodology will solve many of the existing data privacy issues quite simply, as well as scalability issues. Has intuitive, easy, user-friendly UI, so the design of it, and it's a big part of the entire ecosystem for Insider Protocol. It's been talked about on many different sites as well, and you can see all the details about AtlasSwap as well. You can go through all of the different features and different aspects as well as design of the product. I'll link that down below. In addition to AtlasSwap, they also have something called Dex Oasis. Dex Oasis is another project and aspect of the Insider Protocol ecosystem, and it's the first decentralized exchange with blockchain algorithm support for spot and futures trades with the speed of light. It's been, again, written about in Bloomberg, Business Insider, Cointelegraph, OzBiz, and many others. And this is another feature of the platform that simply is something that is for traders for like an on-chain system for order book. It's going to ultimately allow the price of an asset or like a cryptocurrency to be set based on user orders to buy and sell that asset. And it works and focuses on that anonymous aspect that many DEXs say they do, but simply don't do. And you can see this entire ecosystem where they talk about it right here, from Atlas DexSwap to Insider Protocol to the Imperium protocol blockchain. So all of these things are very, very important. When you scroll down a little bit on their website, you could see something called Trade Report. Trade Report is very interesting and cool because this is where that high frequency trading bot comes into place. If you click on Trade Report, it'll bring you to their Telegram group where it goes over a number of different statements. It says IPRO trading statements. Key thing with this is that if you look into detail, you view on their main Telegram or you look at any of these reports, you can see the success that their high frequency trading bot has had. And it goes on and on and on and has a lot of Bitcoin in this account. So if you see all these different trading reports and statements, it's with quite a bit of money and has been very, very successful. You can see all the verification and on-chain information about these specific trades and swaps to verify that it works and things are actually going how they say they're going. And that's something that I really like about them, is that transparency of the Insider Protocol trading statements. So that's something that's really, really cool. Moving forward, there's a few other things we need to talk about. So, like I said, their ICO is still open, and if you want to get involved, you simply can register on their website. We also talked about their trading statements and how their high-frequency trading bot is based on an algorithm that is completely unique to the Insider Protocol, and it allows them to successfully trade, successfully make people passive income, and it's been proven by all of their different trading reports. You can click on any of these trading reports to see them, but they also go into detail in their Telegram group, even more so, going over dozens and dozens of different statements, trading statements. So that's something that you could check out, and which we already briefly showed. Last few things I want to go over is going to be in terms of social media aspect and just the entire ecosystem. So when you're looking at the entire ecosystem, the main thing and main asset of the ecosystem is called IPRO. That's the token that's used during the ICO, and the symbol is IPRO. It's an asset that is based on its own Imperium blockchain with the implemented MW features of full anonymous transactions. It says during the ICO stage, purchase IPRO can be used in the high frequency trading bot, which is available for all participants only during the ICO stage. So you need to have these IPRO tokens in order to utilize their HFT bot, their high frequency trading bot. And this is something that is very important because you can see this IPRO token not only is going to be able to be used for their high frequency trading bot, it's a real, Bitcoin trading bot that you've seen proven results for, but also it's going to be for powering of the community. It's a joint project with users of community, the revolution of doing business in the field of cryptocurrency. It's going to help with the merchant platform. So IPRO is going to be as a payment asset on their merchant platform. Transactions won't be tracked by banks and tax departments. Exchange, it's going to be used for like the future of real decentralized exchanges, reduced commission for IPRO holders, and faster transaction time. So the fourth stage of Insider Protocol's exchange will be launched at the same with its blockchain with faster transaction time and untraceable anonymous protocol. So this is something that is very important because this IPRO token is not only a main aspect of their ICO and what they're currently doing, and not only for their trading bot, but for all these other aspects of the ecosystem over time. So this is something that is very exciting and very cool to see. Last few things I want to go over are in terms of social media and just how their team has been interacting with the community. So you can see in their Telegram group, which has a good number of subscribers in it, their CEO has come out multiple times and talked all about the current state of the market, what he sees moving forward, and things you need to look out for with just investing in general. He talks all about, analyzing different market activities, how it's sometimes impossible to do because of these large institutions that get involved. And he says that hopefully with Insider Protocol, it helps to change this. It helps keep things anonymous, helps make people money with their high frequency trading bot. And you can see all the details about that. But I like personally that he is interacting in their Telegram. In addition to that, you could also see in their Reddit group, which is quite large, they talk about how their one, Aeon Tier X, have been sold out as of November 30th, 2023. You could see that there was 11,500 IPRO plus the 500 IPRO bonus. That was a price of 85,000 USDT. So you could see that that has officially sold out. And you could see just all the other details about the project that they've been consistently talking about. They've had their final mainnet test for the project. They've seen a lot of traction in terms of news outlets and media companies reaching out to them, talking about them. And it hasn't just been for, recently, this has been for years, ever since 2020. So this project has been around for a long time. It's developed a lot of different cool tools, developed a cool ecosystem, and it's still in its ICO stage. So this is something that I think is really unique because it has been around for a long time. It continues to get a lot of media support, continues to get a lot of people talking about it. And for that reason, I did recently take part in their ICO. So I do want to let you know that. And I think it's worthwhile checking out for yourself. So let me know your thoughts on this. But I think that fully anonymous approach is something that people are always going to want to see in crypto. And I think that's why this product has been around for a while. And why I think it's going to continue to grow long term as we see the ICO wrap up and as we see the token officially launch and see all these different aspects of their ecosystem launch as well.